structure. Okay, and then this is the recent, the forward and is obviously bullish, which why you can see why it is written here clearly to buy. So what happens is I'm looking out for buy confirmation, of which I'm not getting the strong buy that I'm expecting. This is the huge imbalance that came after the news, okay, during the weekend. That was on Friday, and I'm expecting that price should balance that imbalance at least to the consequence encroachment, which is 50% at least, because that's a huge fair value gap. Okay, I'm expecting price to at least get to at least half of it, of which that would mean that every pair that we trade that's directly correlated to the dollar index should go in there. Like GU, this is why I say you should sell GU. For those of you that saw GU, you would have seen that GU did a massive sell. But yeah, I was in good profit, okay, because I entered from here. I was just okay, I think I got one ratio 1.3, but that's not my target. Okay, so this is your price gain and your price to gain, and then this is your price right now. Okay, so let's just see if the dollar index gives us what we want. It should be the only possible high that price can try. This should be the liquidity high, of which if this is the liquidity high, then and this is the inducement, then we should expect that price should come to at least take profit. If not take profit, then the consequence conclusion to it is just about this point as well, just the inverse of the dollar index. Remember, the dollar index, the way it behaves is directly proportional to the way the GDP rate behaves. For all of you on the VIP community, that same thing will play out with Euro, to play out with the VIP signal, to play out with Euro, to play out with New Zealand, to play out with what should I want to go? Euro, New Zealand. There are many other ones, but these are the ones I really pay attention to. There's AU, AUSD. I'm going to use this to look at next week. It should be the only possible high that prices can try. This should be the liquidity high, of which if this is the liquidity high, then and this is the inducement, then we should expect that price should come to at least take profit. If not take profit, then the consequence improvement, which is just about this point as well, just the inverse of the dollar index. Remember, the dollar index, the way it behaves is directly proportional to the way the GBP USD behaves. All of it.